happens, huh? Gnarly.
That's a fucking single cylinder. Fucking little dumper, dude.
Yeah. Nice, that moon's gonna be going down soon. It's gonna be on. Got one. Hell yeah. I wonder what it is. Bluey. We got a bluey. We got a bluey on our hands, boys.
Hell yeah. That's what it seemed like it, you know, with the blue cats, they like will hit it and not get it, and then they do that one time. That's what it seemed like was happening to you. Like they were, you know, their mouths are like weird.
Dude, I can't even.
Just on the bottom?
He's just, no, he's above the bottom because he's just sitting there thumping, dude. I can't.
I have to, fuck, we got rods on both sides.
I can't even fucking move him. It's a big one.
I might have to,
At first I was like, is my drag just really loose?
That's what I was about to ask you that. I was going to be like, hey, is your drag loose?
Nope. This is gonna be gnarly. Don't go to the rocks.
That's fucking full bend. Full bend on the rod, dude.
Turning the boat.
Oh, that's not a good sign, though. He's like right.
He's going towards the rocks.
Yeah. It'll be okay, because we're kind of on top of it.
Please don't snap.
What do you have on there?
16.
We're spinning. That's good. He's going deep.
Yeah.
Deeper.
I can't even turn him. Turning the boat again. Come on, bitch. Ooh, that felt weird. Like a rock.
We're right above him, so.
Yeah. Is he on the fish finder?
Shit, I don't know. Let me see. No, because the fish finder's under the trolling motor, so you're kind of behind it. I can't believe it's not picking it up, though. Oh yeah, well, either that or we're going over a spool right now, way up at the top. But it could, no, because it's like 5 feet.
I don't know how deep he is. He's probably deeper than 5 feet.
Yeah, no, I don't think. It might pick it up if we spin around. It's either a world record bass or
I wish.
60-pound blue cat.
Just getting some line on him.
We're deep. Where are we at right now? 22 feet.
We're gonna see him soon, I think.
Think you got enough line back?
Yeah.
Think you got enough line back?
Yeah. Here, you want the clipper?
I'll get it. Is it just in here?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, this is. That fluoro creep. I think your drag's like good. Yeah, you're good. Like when it's pulling, it's going. Ooh.
I hope there's not a nick in it that's stuck like right before it.
Yeah. Like same cast or?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, he hasn't broke off yet.
Yeah. I think you're pretty good with it. You just can't really wrench on it. Yeah. Dude, it's pretty good. It's gotta be 50, 60 for sure. Yeah. I mean, it could be.
Yeah, at least.
But, oh, there you go. Look at the tails. Oh god, the bubbles are coming. He's
right here.
Big one. Oh, he's on the shoulder. He might be on the garment. I can't see. Oh god. Yeah. Tired now.
Oh my god,
dude, look at that thing.
Holy shit!
Okay, I'm going.
Where's he going?
Careful, because you're gonna have to go over your camera.
No, just let him turn the boat.
Oh yeah, you're good.
Oh, he's right here.
Oh my god, dude, look at his head, bro. That thing is massive. I should bring mine.
Oh my god. Remember, don't grab the line.
I can't even. Get it around it. That is so big. It's gonna be way harder to get. You're gonna have to get him right here. He's coming in. Stick it on his lip, and then you just grab it. It'd be way easier. Got him. He's so strong. Stick the thing on it good. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, he's peeing everywhere. Okay, yeah, let's weigh that one in. Oh, for sure. Well, you want to get us back to the dock?
Yeah. We're all. Yep. Dude, he fucking smoked that bait. It's like down there. Ow! I don't even.
He's fucking got teeth.
I don't think I can reach.
Uh-oh, stepper. Boss just called me. Does you guys have a new record for the catfish? He thinks it's the 6-pounder.
Oh god.
Oh my goodness. You guys were fishing for him?
No.
No, we're fishing for bass. Oh my gosh. But they smoke the big lures. I can't even imagine what you were thinking. Dude, they get them, man. It's funny.
We caught a 57-pounder and a 40-pounder last year.
Catfish?
Yeah.
Cat.
Just going for bass.
Just going for bass. Well, yeah, what's the blue cat?
This is what he ate right here.
Yeah, a big. That's like a. You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Dude, that thing is so fat, too.
Ow, he's on my thumb, dude. If I drop him, he's just gonna shred it. There we go.
Nice job. Damn. That's crazy.